Good morning, Stebbing Recording Centre. This is Jennifer speaking. Sure, one moment please, I'll put you through to the CD plant.
This is the CD and DVD manufacturing plant, located in a specially built modern complex in Ponsonby. The process begins in the mastering room, where the DSR, that's short for Direct Stamper Recorder, makes a production master from the client's original master. This new master is then loaded into a server, and from there through an encoder into a laser beam recorder, which produces the actual stamper. This stamper is a shiny metal disc, and it's often referred to as an etched substrate, because all the data is etched onto it. Every stamper is inspected to be sure that it is flawless and that it complies with strict technical specifications. When the mastering engineer is satisfied that it is nothing short of perfect, he sends the stamper on its way to be coated in a liquid plastic solution that is baked in a purpose-built lacquer station to achieve a hard protective layer. Once that is completed, the cooled, lacquered stamper is placed in a punch, which cuts it to the correct size. Accuracy is critical. We're not talking about millimeters here, we're talking about microns, which aren't even visible to the naked eye. This etched substrate, also known as a glass master, will later be fitted into a die to injection mold the data pits into each plastic disc. Every disc begins as tiny polycarbonate granules in huge 750 kilo bags. The contents are sucked into a large hopper, and from there into 4 separate dryer hoppers. It's important that they're completely free of any moisture before they start the process that'll turn them into discs. Here you're seeing the polycarbonate granules being fed continuously into a sight glass on their way to the barrel, where they are heated to temperatures of 300 degrees Celsius. That's quite enough heat to turn them into the consistency of liquid for the injection molders. The etched substrate is pressed with the liquid plastic, creating each disc in this injection molder, working at impressive speed. 1 disc every 3.5 seconds. Robotic arms then remove discs at the same rate. The metallizer. Each disc is coated with a reflective aluminium layer. Without this layer, discs are not playable. Once this is done, a protective lacquer coating is added to the surface. This coating is specially cured using UV light to ensure that it is hard and long-lasting. Yes, there's still more testing, but it's done for the benefit of you, the consumer. Here you're watching the lacquered, cured discs being further tested using laser equipment. All the good discs are automatically dropped onto spindles. Faulty discs are automatically collected on a separate spindle and later crushed and sent away for recycling. All the test results are kept and inspected by our engineers, who keep full records of every aspect of the production process. DVD production began at Stebbing's in 2003 and was further expanded later that year. The process might look the same as for CD, but it's a little different simply because a DVD is made up of 2 disc layers. In the case of DVD 9 and 10, the data is contained on both discs rather than just on one. 2 discs means double of everything: twin injection molders, twin replication lines, twin cooling lines, and double the quality control. Temperature is especially critical in DVD production, so the whole process requires close technical scrutiny. In this metallizer unit, both silver and aluminium coatings are used, one on each half. Then the discs are on their way to the gluing station, where they are well glued together. DVDs require scientifically refined UV cured glue, so that the discs don't delaminate or split apart. Once again, there's another visit to another UV station for the humble D disc. This part of the process activates the glue beneath UV lights to achieve maximum adhesion. Here, one engineer checks for discs, keeping a sharp eye out for any imperfections, however minor, in the moulding process. Keeping an eye on the big picture and the detail is the job of our team of highly skilled engineers who have trained on site with European engineers who designed the equipment. Stebbing is the only manufacturer of DVDs in New Zealand. Stebbing's choice of screen printing and full-colour offset CD and DVD printing gives clients unsurpassed choice to suit their needs and meet their deadlines. Both printing machines are from Cayman in Germany, world leaders in disc printing technology. The high-speed screen printer prints 80 discs a minute. The full-colour offset turns out 70 discs a minute. Both together are capable of turning out 500,000 CD and DVD units a month. The full-colour offset machine's big advantage is that it combines both screen and offset printing, offering limitless design possibilities. The industry's proactive graphic designers are fast catching on to the competitive edge that the vibrancy offset colour brings to their production. Printing as a craft dates back to before the Middle Ages, and it's no less of a craft for the engineers who bring all their attention to detail to the role as they set up the print jobs, adjust the plate positions and load in spindles of CDs or DVDs. While all of this is happening, the screens are being prepared for the next job. The final stage of the process is the all-important packaging. It's what catches our eye on the shelves when we're hunting for our favourite CD or DVD. Stebbing's production line brings all the component parts of a CD and DVD case together, including the tray that holds the disc, the booklet, the case, and the front and back inserts, all click together nicely. It's an important part of the record or movie production company's promotion of the product. It's also important that it's sturdy enough to protect the discs from damage for the years ahead. Much care is taken in handling to ensure that product is delivered in perfect order. This unit is for rapidly labelling CD boxes. In 2005, Stebbing's purchased the state-of-the-art DVD packaging machine. This million-dollar behemoth is capable of throughputing 100 units per minute. It is made up of many stations, beginning with the empty DVD boxes and printed DVDs. Each station helps rapidly form the final product, including the rating stickers on the cover. These stickers are registered on the box for position, and this automated sequence ensures a uniform look for the entire run. As manual labour could not realistically hope to keep up with boxing this amount, the formed DVD product turns the corner and enters the boxer. DVDs are collected in stacks of 25 and a cardboard box automatically packed around them. They are then identified for shipping. The result of this latest purchase is an unbeatable tidiness and uniformity in labelling, and a further drop in turnaround time for customers.